The project name is global warming. In this model, we are trying to explain what are the changes that have taken place in the environment. This concept comes under environment. So now we will see like what are the changes that have come due to industrialization. Now we will see the model is divided into two parts. The left side is before globalization and after is before global warming. The next one is after global warming. So in the olden days, everything was eco-friendly. For transport, we used to use bullock carts and we used to use bicycles. So with this, there was no pollution. But in the modern days, we use automobiles, which results in automobile pollution, carbon dioxide pollution, carbon monoxide pollution, and also accidents occur due to heavy traffic. Now, in olden days, the fodder which is a byproduct of agriculture is used for feeding the animals, and the animals in turn will help mechanized farming. In modern days, this fodder has become waste. Now, the people in Haryana and Punjab, they are trying to burn this paddy straw. Burning of this paddy straw is resulting in heavy atmospheric pollution, due to which the country capital New Delhi has become unsafe for human living. It is one of the most polluted cities in the world. Now, in olden days, there used to be a lot of forest cover. The forest cover used to be up to 60%. Now the forest cover is reduced to about 14 to 15%. Due to afforestation, the requirement of wood, paper has resulted in the deforestation. Due to deforestation, lot of ecological changes have happened. In olden days, there used to be huts. These are made of a eco-friendly material. So everything becomes again reunited with the nature. Now in modern days, instead of eco-friendly material, we use concrete and materials which production of which results in a lot of pollution. And there are also factories have come up due to industrialization. These factories produce a lot of smoke and other harmful gases which deteriorate the health of the human beings. Due to all these factors, and there is another important thing is the fridges which produce CFCs. These CFC gases actually result in the ozone hole on the atmosphere. So this results in more the rise of the temperature on the earth. Like the CFCs are produced by these freezers, air conditioners, and other other gadgets, and they are also produced due to other chemicals which are used for spraying and other activity. So these should be avoided to make the global warming less effective. Now this is the major cause, as we told, like this is the burning of the straw is resulting in the heavy smoke and the heating of the atmosphere. Due to all these activities, the temperature of the environment is increasing, and the glaciers like the ice mountains, they are melting, and the water is flowing through the cities. The water level of the sea is rising, due to which all the coastal cities are in danger of being submerged.